Hello food lovers! Today we're diving into a vibrant and delicious recipe that will tantalize your taste buds. Beetroot, miso, and tuna potato salad. This isn't your average potato salad, it's a flavor explosion. Imagine the sweet earthiness of beetroot, the umami depth of miso, and the savory delight of tuna, all mingling together in perfect harmony. This salad is a fantastic way to incorporate nutritious ingredients into your diet. It's also incredibly easy to make, even if you're a beginner in the kitchen. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. This recipe is designed for simplicity, so you won't need any fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. Ingredients: potatoes, 500 grams. I prefer Yukon Gold for their creamy texture. Cooked beetroot, 200 grams. Pre-cooked beetroot saves time and effort. Tuna in brine, 1 can, 185 grams, drained. Mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons, use your favorite kind. White miso paste, 2 tablespoons spring onions, 3 finely chopped fresh dill, 1 tablespoon chopped salt and black pepper to taste. This salad isn't just delicious, it's also packed with nutrients. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to provide a range of health benefits, making it a perfect choice for a balanced meal. Beetroot is a fantastic source of folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. It also contains antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support overall health. It's also rich in nitrates, known to improve blood flow. These nitrates can help lower blood pressure and enhance athletic performance by increasing oxygen delivery to muscles. Miso, a fermented soybean paste, is a powerhouse of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. These probiotics can improve digestion and boost the immune system. It's also a good source of protein and essential minerals like zinc, manganese, and copper, which are vital for various bodily functions. Tuna, a rich source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, is excellent for heart health and brain function. These omega-3s can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. By combining these nutritional powerhouses, we're creating a salad that's both delicious and good for you. Enjoy the vibrant flavors and the health benefits that come with every bite. Section 4, Crafting Your Masterpiece, Step-by-Step Guide. Now let's bring our flavor explosion to life. This guide will walk you through each step to create a delightful and nutritious salad that will impress your family and friends. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a delicious and nutritious salad ready in no time. Step 1. Potato perfection. Potatoes are a staple in many dishes and they add a wonderful texture to our salad. Wash and peel the potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt and impurities. Cut them into bite-sized chunks. This ensures they cook evenly and are easy to eat. Boil them in salted water until tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. The salt enhances the flavor of the potatoes as they cook. Drain and set aside to cool. Cooling the potatoes prevents them from becoming mushy when mixed with other ingredients. Step 2. Beetroot bliss. Dice the cooked beetroot into small cubes, similar in size to the potatoes. Beetroot adds a vibrant color and earthy flavor to the salad. Step 3. Tuna time. Open the can of tuna and drain the brine. Tuna provides a rich source of protein and a savory taste. Use a fork to flake the tuna into smaller pieces. This helps distribute the tuna evenly throughout the salad. Step 4. The magic of miso. Miso paste adds a unique umami flavor that elevates the taste of the salad. In a large bowl, combine the mayonnaise and white miso paste. The mayonnaise adds creaminess, while the miso paste brings depth of flavor. Mix well until smooth and creamy. This will be the dressing that ties all the ingredients together. Step 5. Assembling the symphony. This is where all the prepared ingredients come together to create a harmonious dish. Add the cooled potatoes, diced beetroot, flaked tuna, chopped spring onions, and fresh dill to the bowl with the mayonnaise mixture. Each ingredient adds its own unique flavor and texture. Gently fold all the ingredients together until well combined. Be careful not to mash the potatoes or beetroot. Step 6. Season to perfection. Proper seasoning is key to bringing out the best flavors in your salad. Season the salad with salt and black pepper to your liking. Adjust the seasoning as needed to suit your taste. Remember to taste as you go. This ensures that the final dish is perfectly balanced and delicious. Section 5. Elevating your salad tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks to make your beetroot, miso, and tuna potato salad even more delicious. Potato power. For a creamier texture, use potatoes that are specifically good for mashing, like Yukon Gold or Russet. These varieties have a higher starch content, which results in a smoother, creamier consistency. Make sure to boil them until they are fork tender before mashing. Miso magic. If you don't have white miso taste, you can substitute it with yellow miso. White miso is milder and sweeter, while yellow miso has a more robust flavor. However, yellow miso has a stronger flavor, so you might want to use a bit less. Start with a small amount and adjust to taste, ensuring it doesn't overpower the other ingredients. Fresh dill. First, using fresh dill makes a huge difference in flavor. Fresh dill adds a bright, herbaceous note that complements the earthiness of the beetroot and the umami of the miso. If you don't have fresh dill, you can use a teaspoon of dried dill instead. While dried dill is more concentrated, it lacks the vibrant freshness of its fresh counterpart. Chill out. For the best flavor, cover the salad and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the ingredients to meld together, enhancing the overall taste. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. The result is a harmonious blend of tastes and textures that will delight your palate. Section 6. Variations on a theme exploring different tastes. Feel free to get creative and customize this salad to your liking. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. Spicy kick. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of hot sauce for a spicy kick. Crunchy delight. Toasted walnuts or pecans add a lovely crunch to the salad. Zesty twist. A squeeze of lemon juice brightens up the flavors and adds a refreshing zest. Herbaceous harmony. Experiment with different herbs like parsley, chives, or tarragon for a unique flavor profile. Section 7. A salad for all occasions. This beetroot, miso, and tuna potato salad is a versatile dish that's perfect for any occasion. It's a fantastic side dish for barbecues, picnics, and potlucks. You can also enjoy it as a light and satisfying lunch or dinner. So, there you have it. A delicious, nutritious, and easy-to-make salad that's sure to impress your taste buds and nourish your body. Give this recipe a try and discover a world of flavor.